It's so beautiful. Closer firework is the perfect way to watch fireworks from the high. I don't like it when the trees are in the way, which is not so high at all. I mean, how good is this when you can watch it so closer to me? What if I did more fireworks? Then it will be the best show ever. 30 minutes later! Over 78 fireworks that have been purchased to see the best fireworks show ever. My fireworks show. They got it from fire and worked it out in that like a gym. It's like a fire goes to work out at a gym. That's why it's called fireworks. And the fire got turned into a firework that got sparkled up. The fireworks gonna show the sparkles to the girls. Like the fire's buff.
I love fireworks. They are so satisfying to watch them sparkle.
We have to go see fireworks. It will be so fetch.
Well, this got out of my house.
Well, looks like 3 girls came. Alright, ladies. The fireworks show will start in 3, 2, 1. Wow, I just saw some amazing effect. A lot of people want to go on the ship and go to space. But their mission to the moon has failed. So the rockets exploded. Ooh, what if I try to stack fireworks? Don't stack fireworks and light it up. Otherwise, you can seriously get injured and also die in a brutal injury. Cause fireworks can fly everywhere and they can actually injure other people. Stacking fireworks can cause the firework not to fly in a straight line since another firework is on the opposite way. Also, don't even go close to the fireworks lighting up which the same way, same time with injury. Take this, bitch!